Welcome to the hidden world of lab rats. Here, life is a cycle of uncertainty and confinement. Without freedom, their instincts fade. These creatures are denied their natural behaviors. Each day unfolds with the looming threat of experimentation, a dance with danger. It's not just physical captivity, it's psychological torment. The stress eats away at them. Isolation turns life into a relentless cycle of fear, breaking down the spirit of these beings. What does it mean to live a life dictated by human curiosity? Only pain and suffering remain. Their pain has a purpose, or so it's believed. The race for medical advancements exploits their lives. Every experiment holds promise for humanity, but at what cost? The rats pay dearly. Subjected to chemicals, surgeries, and tests, they endure without comprehension of the purpose. Survivors of experiments often bear the scars, their bodies recalling the trauma they endured. Each rat is a variable in human equations, treated as disposable, not as beings. Do their lives not matter? The ethical debate rages on, overshadowing their silent cries. They might be seen as mere pests, but lab rats are heroes in shadows. Each breakthrough in science correlates with a life sacrificed, yet their contributions are invaluable. From cancer research to understanding behavior, they play pivotal roles despite suffering. Countless lives are saved due to their hardships. Shouldn't they be honored instead of exploited? As our allies in the quest for knowledge, their legacy deserves recognition. Even as lab rats, their existence pulses with meaning beyond human comprehension. The age-old question arises: is it ethical to sacrifice some lives for the many? Public opinion is split, with some calling for humane alternatives and others advocating for the necessity. Are there viable alternatives? The search for other methods, sparking passionate discussions. With advancements in technology, ethical science could flourish, but change comes slowly. Voices for the voiceless become stronger. The tide may finally turn. As we reflect, let's remember the rats. They teach us about compassion through their suffering. Their plight sheds light on the complexities of scientific pursuit. As we celebrate medical achievements, we must also acknowledge the sacrifices made. The future of research relies on humane practices, honoring life while seeking truth. Let's remember that every life matters, and think twice about the ethics in our progress. As we move forward, compassion should steer our quest for knowledge. In the end, lab rats are more than just test subjects. They are reminders of our shared humanity.